Happy birthday! Alam ko masaya ka ngayon at sana humaba pa yung ating pananatili sa mundo at saka mag-ingat kayo palagi. Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, Lola Che.
Happy birthday, Lola Che.
Happy birthday, Lola Che.
Happy birthday, Lola Che.
God bless you!
Ano naman? Che, happy birthday. 50 years old na tayo. So, mag-ingat ka lang sa kalusugan. Lagi tayo mag-pray na dagdagan pa yung buhay natin. So, sana buti. Happy birthday. Mag-ingat kayo dyan.
Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Che. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. More birthdays to come and wishing you all the best in life. Enjoy your day and hope to see you soon. God bless and happy birthday again.
Hello Tita Che, happy birthday po. Wish you luck and sana more birthdays to come and sana yung health natin, pangalagaan natin. Tsaka kila Ninong, kamusta po? Tapos kay Insan, sa mga pinsan ko dyan. God bless. Ingat.
Hello po, happy birthday po Tita Che. Ingat po palagi sa work. See you when I see you po. Yun lang po, happy birthday.
God bless to family.
God bless po. We
Hi,
love you
Tita
po.
Che.
Hi, Tita Che.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
We wish you a good health at palagi po kayong mag-iingat dyan na sana marami pang blessing ang dumating sa buhay nyo, sa buhay natin. Mag-iingat po kayo ni Jorik at saka ni Tito Jim. Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Lola Che. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Che! God bless! We miss you and we
Hi,
love
Che.
you!
I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness in life and good health for always. I love you.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Sisi. More blessing and good health. Happy birthday!
Hi, Lynn. Ate Jing here. I wish you joy, love, and laughter all the time. And may all your wishes come true. Again, happy birthday from California with love. Enjoy!
Katukayo, happy birthday. Birthday na naman. Anyways, enjoy. Maganda ang ating love life. That's good. Sana mag-reunion uli ang tropa. Okay, dun sa Pinas. Okay, happy birthday. Miss you.
Hi, Che. Good morning. Happy 50th birthday. Happy golden birthday. I miss you so much. Wishing you all the best in life. Ang importante, happy ka. Basta happy ka, happy kami para sa'yo. I love you. You're such a dear sister to me. Way back high school days. I'm glad you're still a friend of mine. Even though you're malayo ka sa amin, you never forget to communicate. I miss you so much. Sana matuloy ang uwi nyo dito ni Sel and Cathy sa Pinas at magtagpo ang mga schedules natin. Hopefully, I hope to see you soon. I miss you so much. God bless and always take care. I love you. You know how much I love you. Happy birthday. Ingat.
Hi, Rosalie. Good morning. Just want to wish you a happy 50th, happy birthday. God bless always, okay? Take care. Bye.
Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Cheche!
Hi! Happy birthday, BFF! Happy Golden! And more blessing!
Hello, Rosalie. Tita Ami to. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Sana nandyan kami ni Linda. Masaya sana, no? Kung nandyan kami. Di bali next time, baka makapunta rin kami dyan. Pasyal din kayo dito ni Jim, si San Diego. Ingat kayo palagi. Oh, ang wish ko sa birthday mo, good health, happiness, and more blessings. Love you, you and Jim. Sana makapunta kayo dito. O Tito Hill, bumabati rin sa'yo, happy birthday. Sige. Sige, Lynn ha, happy birthday, love you.
Hi, Che.
Always.
Kumusta? Ano na ba? 4 na dekada? Ang tagal na nating magkaibigan, ha? Alam kong lahat tayo ay malayo sa isa't isa. Iba-ibang lugar. Pero, natandaan mo nung last na uwi mo, nakita tayo. Parang fresh pa rin. Parang kahapon lang. Anyways, alam kong kahit hindi tayo nakikita-kita palagi, pero we still keep in touch. And still, we're friends forever, ha? Anyways, happy birthday. Golden years. And sana mas humaba pa ang ating buhay. And magkita-kita ulit tayo sa Pinas. We miss you. I love you. Take care. And always friends forever.
Maligayang kaarawan, Lynn. Sana maraming taon pa ang sumapit sa iyong kaarawan. Lagi kong dinadasal, lagi kong para maging malakas ka at laging masaya. Alagaan mo si Jim para alagaan ka rin niya. O, kalahating dekada na. Lagi kayong magsaya, okay? From San Diego.
Hi, Insan! Happy birthday! 50 years old ka na pala. Di bale, hindi naman halata sa mukha mo kasi baby face naman ang mukha mo. Sana makauwi ka sa Pilipinas para may bonding naman tayo mga magpipinsan. Legaspi family. At siyempre, namimiss ka namin, no? At panalangin ko sa Panginoon na maging maganda lalo ang buhay mo dyan. Siyempre, yung love life. At maging magandang yung pangangatawan, malayo sa anumang karamdaman. Yun ang aking panalangin para sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagdamay sa amin at sa iyong birthday ay binabati ka ulit namin ng maligayang kaarawan.
Hello,
Salamat.
Mars. Happy birthday. Alam mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal ni Mod at ng aking pamilya. Lagi namin pinagpipray na magkaroon ka pa ng maraming happy, meaningful, and healthy years pa. And alam namin na isa ka sa mga talagang special gift din sa amin ni God. Totoong, hindi lang kaibigan, kundi totoong kapatid. Thank you sa lahat ng mga memories na share ng bawat isa. Alam ko na patuloy nating pagpipray ang bawat isa. And we're so happy kung nasan ka ngayon, kung ano yung na-experience mo ngayon. You really deserve that kasi mabuti kang tao. Alam mo naman kung gaano ka namin kamahal kahit na malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Alam ni God yung love natin sa bawat isa. And keep on being kind, keep on being beautiful. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mars. Happy birthday!
Yes, starting.
Seriously, Rosalie.
Hi, Mars. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And behind, go.
Yeah.
There's Matthew.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, seriously.
Happy birthday, Mars. Wish you the best in life.
Seriously.
Yeah. Be happy all the time.
Rosalie will
Be
like that
happy,
too.
jolly, and stay healthy.
What do you
Yeah.
get when you cross an elephant with a rhino?
Oh my gosh, this is a joke. Super. Yeah, so
What do you get?
we might see you soon.
Albino.
Yeah, we might see you somewhere. Yeah.
But it's nice and
Miss
hot
you.
and sweaty in Florida.
Yeah. Miss you so much. And God bless you on your birthday. Enjoy.
Happy anniversary.
No.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Celebrating
Happy
merrily another
birthday.
anniversary. Oh.
Okay, I couldn't help myself. Happy birthday. I mean,
Happy birthday,
I was
Rose!
supposed to be an anniversary.
Yeah.
one.